all.
Okay. Keep down there now that he can use all the applause he can get until this block falls on the ground. It's not going to be long now. You're doing good, buddy. Looks like your day is done when you get done here. A couple more. You're just about done, Mr. Sam. Let's go, buddy. Yeah! Woo! All right, I think we're on to the...
Lining up the debris board.
My boss has left the arena, which is good. Don't call him back. I think we can do it without him. We're going to try.
You guys know.
Thank you.
Here comes the Harley.
Okay. It's hot saw time.
Hey, Guy,
Yes?
if I could, please, I'll take care of that event sponsor now, because as everybody knows, this place gets really crazy here in a matter of a few more seconds, so kind of hard to get this taken care of. Anyway, sponsor for the hot saw bucking is Peterson Brothers Incorporated out of Bellingham, Washington. That's Brian and Steve Peterson. Each of them are past presidents and great supporters of this Deming Log Show. Foreman for the event is James Van Dyke and Tony Grimes. Last year's first place winner. Well, actually, I'm going to give you the top three from last year, just to give you an idea of what happens here. Third place, 1.8 seconds. Second place, 1.71 seconds. And in first place with a time of 1.34 seconds, Natalie, Amber, and Craig Marsh. So you're going to be interested in this one. This is pretty cool. Let it go, guy.
Okay. I guess we're just going to leave this trailer and pick up in there, but we're cutting on this end of the block. You see it anyway. Okay, when I come up to you guys, you're just going to say your name. And we're not going to go on about the saws. We've all seen them, all know what they can do. We just want to watch them run. Well, okay. Go back to pick them up because people up there can't see them. So. Okay, well, we can start. Anybody ready to say their name? What do we got?
Okay.
My name's Dave, and my co-liver is going to be Gray. This is a 1987 Buick, Land Rover, which is the old Buick.
All right. Who's next? Who else is ready? Standing by their machine. You, where's yours? Let's go. This is Clinton, Ed.
I got a quick one with a dog bowl on the end and all.
Oh, how about my swim friends? What's your name, Becky Barr? How you doing? One of the finest gentlemen I've ever met. I met 40.
Here. Don't go on a win-wrong story.
Wayne Priest.
Dwight Allen. Going to run this Harley Davidson saw for you. Thank you for being here.
There you go, Bob. That's good. Okay.
Okay, who's next? Who else is by this machine? Ready yet?
Get better, Arthur Better will be running 215 in the Block Buick, and Andy Ralston and I will be running a 4-cylinder pickup.
Where's the oil at?
I don't need the oil. You put it somewhere.
It's right there.
Andy and Buzz Buckley running 2.84s. First time we've ever made a catalog practice for a modified Buckley show in a couple weeks. Hopefully it gets through it.
Brian mentioned
Is this that one that cost $7? Yeah. We got a little more in there this year.
15.
Ooh, they got
15 bucks in this year.
Did we get everybody? Pretty tight.
You forgot my song.
Right here. Well, this is say your name if you want. Okay. That's Mike and
Jalen.
Okay. Did we get this one?
Andy Potter got a squirt bottle.
Who's that one?
Just Tim.
I'm running. Me and Phil's with running.
But it's your machine? Just Tim.
Tim's machine.
And
you and Phil?
Yep. Okay. Hey, look out. This trailer's coming back, guys. I think we got them all, so.
Yeah. Do we need that?
Smells like gas.
If you kids are in the tug of war, get down to that fence. We need about 50 more.